Look at them. There's so many versions of us, and there's our mascots. Cute the chicken. Listen. Do you hear that? That's Gura. Gura recorded like her own version of humming to the music, I suppose. You can hear it every now and then. Here's Gura. Yeah, humu humu humu. Wanna listen a little bit to Gura? What does Gura say? Here, let's go.
My very own aquarium? This is a first.
An aquarium. Wow, cute.
Doing something productive here.
Surely, always.
How did you do? I can't see it on my end.
Cute.
Rhythm game? I got it. Wait, it's not?
Oh, I like her voice acting. It sounds very natural.
Score 1 for tiny sharks with big fork.
Big fork. She says it's a fork. It's a fork. Cute. And then, can we watch this? Shark!
What the? What the?
Cute. Oh,
What a lovely smell.
sip. Cute. She's relaxing on her tea set. Adorable. Wake up. Don't slack on your job.
Shy.
Chang. Oh, you cute.
Oh.
That's where he is. That's where he was.